everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is IPSY time for me again, and I thought I'd share with you what I got in my February bag this month. Now, I opened up the package and pulled out this adorable little lip print makeup bag. Thought it was really cute this month. And the funny thing is I guess several years ago, like 5+ years ago, Clinique had a very similar bag, and I use this as my travel makeup bag. It's a little bigger than my IPSY one, but they do remind me a lot of each other, so I'll use them both. The first thing I pulled out, which was not in the actual makeup bag, was a makeup brush. It's big enough for a blush or highlighter. It is Farrah brand. I'm not real familiar with makeup brushes, but this is super cute, sparkly, and pink, hot pink for sure. All right, the next thing, I have to put my glasses on so I can see, but is a company called Hollywood, California Glam Glow, and it's an illuminating moisturizer. Now, as you can tell on this camera probably, my skin is very fair, and I really don't have a problem with illuminating my skin. I seldom have dark circles in my eyes, but you know, a lot of people that are heavily pigmented, you know, or do have the dark eyes, you know, could really benefit from this. So I may ask around my bunko group or something and see if somebody could use that for sure. The next thing I got was a Sugar brand lipstick, and it's called All About Salmon. It's got a little bit of an orange tint to it that I really don't like on myself. I can always add a little frost or some shimmer to it, and it will totally change the look of it. So I very seldom give away lipstick just because it's the wrong color. The fourth thing I got was a tube of, it's called Feel brand, and it is a facial scrub, renewed pumpkin walnut facial cleanser. I mentioned in my last beauty video about the Walmart box that I don't do a lot of masks. I clean my face every night, but I also just exfoliate about once every 3 months. And I use an apricot scrub, and I'll probably definitely use this. It smells very pumpkin-y. I will give it a try. The last thing I got this month is something I'll definitely use. It's just a small cube of eyeshadow. It's called Meech and Mia. It's a caramel colored eyeshadow, and that's something that I will use as a highlighter eyeshadow. So, you know, 4 out of 5 things this month is not too bad, and I'll definitely use it. So there you go, friends. That is my IPSY for February 2019.